Hey, are you excited about today's video? Alright, good morning everyone. So today we are not going to be on the old Kaylani over there that I can't focus on. There you go. Today we are going to be working on this bike. I'm going to be going, first and foremost, I'm going to be going back and forth between the GoPro that I have up there and this bike. I was going to take this bike out, but it is windy. So one of the things I did notice, I did take this bike out yesterday, which was a Saturday. Took that out in the evening, and I took it out this morning. And the problem I'm having right now with this bike, if you notice, this handlebar is crooked. Because, I mean, all you have to do is you just have to hit it really hard, and it goes crooked. Obviously, that's not a safe thing. My baby wheelies, I still came up pretty high, and one of them, when I came down, I must have been pulling too hard on that side, and it pulled it, and I smashed it back and it worked, but it kept moving slightly ever so slightly each time. So instead of running them for now, what I will be doing is running some dirt bike bars. I've had these laying around for a while. I ran them, I didn't even run them out, honestly. So yeah, that's on the agenda. It should be pretty straightforward. I just gotta take these off. Obviously I gotta take all the extra accoutrements off. Why can't I think right now? All of this stuff. I don't ask me. I haven't had enough beer yet. Afterwards, I'll explain, but I do have to raise the bike up, and then I can mount the dirt bike bars on here, and then kind of mount everything up, and then what I may do is I may ride this bike around for a little bit just to see and get the kind of positioning for the dirt bike bars, because they're a lot different. These are 7 degrees. These are slightly 7 degrees. They're a little bit higher, but you want to rotate them a little forward, I think. So I have to play with them and the adjustments on that. And I'm hoping this angle is actually good. I don't know until I start actually editing this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take all this stuff off, and I'll probably just hang the clutch. Obviously, the brakes, I don't like hanging brakes, especially with this hose. So I'll just kind of just zip tie them up, and then we can start raising up the bike, because really all I gotta do is take this and everything comes off. We are a number 5. I lied, it's a number 6. Myself look like an idiot on film. Here we go. Let me just hang that one down. Put it in my tool belt right now. There we go. I'm gonna get this one off. Rule of thumb, always get extra hardware. I have a bunch sitting over there. Zip ties. God, do you guys go through as much zip ties as I do, that I probably do? Because I go through a lot. So again, I'm just doing this so there's not much pressure on the this hose. This line will hold it, because, well, if it'll just drape down on there. I just don't want to stretch this. Flexing it's okay, but stretching it, no, not with my luck. Up here as well. So anyone wondering, I did change my these reservoirs. I put them up in here. This is what this is made up for. But I'm waiting for the micro ones. They're a little bit smaller than this, and they do fit underneath this plate. This is made by SS Moto. I got the OG Stone Army Products one. This is the same exact company. Maybe I'll try to sell this, make a little more money on it, right? Anyway, okay, what are we doing now? This bad boy. God, I hope this angle is good. And that is it. Just throw it there. Oh man, phone's blowing up right now. Did you guys messaging me right now? You guys will be on the vlog. Probably not. You guys don't like messaging me on Instagram. Nobody likes to talk to me. Just like that. Cox clip-ons are off. Get this one off. Perfect. Now let me go over these real quick before anybody thinks that I'm bashing Cox stump parts. These are amazing. They hold up. The problem is, if you, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but you could see the bolt broke off in there. Threads are all fucked locked up in there. I know other people have had problems with that as well, and I don't think it's a design flaw. I think it's just one of those things where once you tighten them, that's it. They should just stay tight with some Loctite or something like that, so these things don't move. The problem is I have to keep taking mine on and off, and I think that just weakened it. And you also have to understand that it does cause friction within the bolts, and the bolts start stretching. And when they start stretching, they become very weak, and that's what usually will snap them. All right. So now this is the fun part. What you're gonna want to do is not go on this side, first of all. Hopefully I'm talking loud enough, by the way, because I don't think I am half the time with this GoPro. It's not very good audio. So now, dude, you're gonna loosen these up. Now you guys gotta be careful if you are doing this. That's why I have the jack underneath here, because the minute you loosen these, the whole bike is just going to slide down. It's going to automatically slide down. You don't want to slide it down, you want to slide it up. That's what that jack is there for. One part, because I don't have a lift. You see how they're coming up. Now do your reach around. All right, that's it. That's all you have to do. Man, someone is blowing my shit up. Let me take this out and show you guys. But there's an angle to it, so this will actually push the bar further back, and if you rotate it this way, it'll push the bar further forward. I, for one, am going to run the bar forward. So you rotate them, so the big end. I know I just explained on the GoPro, I don't know if it picked it up or not. So you guys, when you do mount them, you have to make sure of that, because if not, then your bar is going to be kind of one of those. You can see that they're both lined up. So if you rotate this way, you see how it doesn't line up? There's a better angle for you. You're embarrassing me in front of my friends. Now, we taste test. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. These feel a little bit more comfortable than the dirt bike, the other bars. They look like they're even. Do they look like they're even? Shake your head yes and like this video if you think they look even. First try. But nonetheless, let's keep it moving. So for some odd reason, I can't tighten these up all the way, or else for some odd, I don't know, the throttle snappier. The right was usually the problematic area, not the left. Oh yeah, she's way snappier. Make sure everything's tight. Simple. This video is probably gonna be really short. All right, so I angled you guys a little bit up higher. I don't know what the angle is gonna look like on camera. I gotta play with the throttle. I'm probably going to have to lube these cables up. Pause. And I know I'm not wearing any gear. I know going up the block is usually where people get into accidents and blah 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 blah. You guys can hose me in the comments if you want. But like I said, I feel a lot more comfortable with these dirt bike bars. It may help me with wheelies and stuff, because I feel a little more in control with my controls. Video is probably gonna be very short. Just consider it a filler video and me just riding around on this bike, and you guys actually get to see this bike run. because I don't think you guys have seen this bike actually ride around yet. But as always, I need each and every single one of you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life goals. Always remember, success never comes easy. You guys gotta work your anus off for it. Your boy Machine here, and I will catch you guys on the next one later. Why you have your weird upper lip like you're smiling because you want to play some bally?
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.